Hey guys, welcome back to Starkville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals for you. These are minty fresh. These are mint on the pillow fresh tool deals right here. We're starting out at Woot. We're going to hit some Amazon. Of course, Woot being an Amazon company, you can use your Amazon account. You get the free Prime shipping, all those beautiful things. Here we have the Sunjo 2800 PSI electric pressure washer down to just $99.99. Couple of things I really like about this one. First off, the most obvious, wheels. It has wheels. The first pressure washer I ever owned did not have wheels. And after owning that pressure washer, I said to myself, never again. Okay, never again. It's too much stuff to carry. You're carrying the pressure washer, you got the water hose, you got the pressure hose, you got the wand. You got it all. It's impossible. You got to have wheels. Love wheels. Now, it also comes with a little wrap thing for the hose. Good luck getting it to stay on there in the future, but it looks pretty in the picture. And then we got the other holder on the other side. And then we have the nozzles. Now, if you look at these nozzles, where was that picture? They're atypical. They look atypical. I don't know if these would be interchangeable with other potential pressure washers because my nozzles don't look like that, damn it. But it does look like you're getting a full array of nozzles here, so not too big of a deal. Now, if we look at the website, I have a comparable on here. So Snowjoe's own website sells it for $2.99, 3 times the price. And I checked Walmart, only third-party sellers had it available, and they were $2.70 something. And it used to be available on Amazon, but that product page has been taken down. So maybe this is a discontinued item or something, which would make sense why Woot has it for sale. But $99.99, a really good deal. And while I'm looking at it here on Instagram last night, I posted this right here. You can go on Instagram and see the full page of it. There's 3 pictures here. There is a gas string trimmer that is on clearance at Walmart for $3. $3. So the other pictures show you the UPC code and also shows a receipt where it was purchased for $3. Actually, 2 of them for $3 each. So check that out if you may be interested in an amazing deal like that. Then also on this Woot page, right over here, we have Woot currently has a bunch of Sunjo and Greenworks tools on sale. So I want to show you that page. So we have a lot of really good deals. Things are already starting to sell out, but it's definitely worth taking a look at this thing, seeing if you can find anything good. For instance, this Greenworks 40 volt, 12 inch cordless chainsaw. If you're already in Greenworks 40 volt lineup, and it's compared to others, it's mildly obscure. Like there's not nearly as many people in this, but $39.99 for a cordless chainsaw using 40 volt batteries. Thing's probably got enough power to do quite a bit, especially with the 12-inch bar. Anything that size I could probably handle, but $40 is stupid cheap. Then we got its big brother, the 16-incher next to it. So maybe some really good options if you have those, or if you're interested in going out and getting the battery and charger to go with it. And then here we have the 25-foot kink-free garden hose. I don't know about kink-free. I like a little kink, but $29.99 normal price down to $11.99. Again, if you're a Prime member, you're going to get free shipping on that. So $11.99 for a 25-foot garden hose. Couldn't beat that with a stick. You have the little hose holder. Maybe you get a little 2-for deal here at $19.99. Here we actually get the battery and charger to go with it with their version of the little hatchet, one-handed chainsaw. This is the 24-volt line, which is definitely more popular for the Sunjo stuff. And I believe this is the exact same as my snowblower. I have a couple of these cordless snowblowers that are 24 volt. And the battery is tiny on this one. This is a little 2 amp hour battery. This is like we're just giving you a taste so you can use the tool a little bit kind of battery. It's not like a legitimate use, in my opinion, for this. But the bigger batteries are blue, at least in my case. Maybe they have big gray batteries as well. But the ones I have are blue, and they're 5 amp hour batteries. And that would work perfect, although it's a little bit more difficult to find third-party like eBay or Amazon third-party sellers that have good deals on the Sunjo batteries. Maybe there's just not enough of them floating out in the market, but you may be able to find an Amazon seller that has the generic ones that are compatible, and that might be the best route to go. But $49.99 to get the full kit. Pretty good deal there. A couple more pressure washers looks like we have here. And then some string trimmers, $29.99. That's a corded one. Got the little edger there for $64.99. I like this deal because it's coming with the battery. I can't tell from the picture how big that battery is, but it's the 24 volt. Looks kind of small. Greenworks, you're getting the pole saw with the hedge trimmer attachment for $120. It's not a bad deal at all. And then rounding out with a couple of tripod lights. But you can see down here all the stuff that has already sold out. Definitely worth taking a look. So now some Amazon deals for you. We have the Survival Kit, 232-piece professional survival gear by Napasa. It's 40% off, and there's also a $4 coupon. So it's about $30, I believe, after both discounts. You get the little pouch with the flag on it. You get the multi-tool. It's a hammer and a mini hatchet. We got a tactical pen. We got a knife. We got a compass somewhere in there. We got the little paracord bracelet. We got the saw. We got the mylar blanket. We got a pouch. We got scissors and a whole first aid kit. We got gloves. We got a shovel. We got the little credit card multi-tool. I mean, it has everything. If there's something in there you want, it has it. Next up, the Black & Decker wire wheel, 1/4-inch crimped coarse shank. This is a 3-inch wire wheel. It's currently on sale for $1.85, and then also has a 5% coupon on the Amazon page. And I was able to find that deal using this Amazon Tool Deals search bar that I recently put on the website. My friend Dan here, thanks to Dan for giving us a heads up on this, showed me how we can search Black & Decker. So you put Black & Decker right there, hit the search bar, and you are all ready to go. You got all the Black & Decker deals, and then boom, this one popped up for $1.85, had that additional coupon. Now here we have Knipex 6-inch long nose pliers, $33.56. Now look, I know that's still very expensive for 6-inch pliers. It is expensive, I understand this. But it's cheaper than other options, so if you, like me, are a fan of the Knipex, Home Depot has them for about $41, and KC Tool has them for about $40. Don't get tons of stuff that's on sale for them, and when we do, it's always kind of small. You're never getting half price on them. It's just not happening. I mean, you can get the 5-finger discount, but that's all you're getting. 700-piece button hex head cap screws. This is by it's been a while. 50% off, if you know, you know. $21. Going to be $10.49 through the 29th. Get the whole little handy dandy case to go with it. Here we have the electric screwdriver, cordless 4-volt power screwdriver, rechargeable bits, rechargeable set with bits, extension rod. This is by Liar CW. It's 50% off, $29.99. We have a 35% promo code and a 15% coupon. You're going to pay $14.99. It's got the dual position where you can rotate it so it's straight or has the little not quite 90 degrees. Also has an LED light built in there. You get all the little bits and the holder for a little low power 4-volt screwdriver. Now the text link right here had 4 different options. There was more of the traditional electric screwdriver where it doesn't have the different positions. It just goes straight up. And I believe there was 2 of each variety on that text link there. This one, I think, has the potential to be a really good deal. You can see the reviews aren't great, but we're going to talk about that here in 1 second. Adjustable welding table, workbench, 30 by 20, 330-pound capacity, welding bench, table, adjustable angle, retractable guide rails by Workus. And it's 40% off. So it starts out at $91, but then we're taking 40% off of that, so you're in the 50-ish range. And that's a really good price if you compare it to some of the other similar tables like this, like the Keter or Black & Decker has similar items. But the reason, at least the reviews I looked at, people were complaining, or at least the ones that did complain, was either a lack of instructions or for assembling it, or the instructions just really sucked. I didn't see any reviews saying that the product itself had anything wrong with it once it was built. So if you are confident in your abilities to put this thing together, also one review says it comes partially assembled. If all you're doing is attaching a couple of things, I don't know. I feel like between the pictures, if you are handy enough to be using this workbench, you are probably handy enough to figure out how to assemble it. I think. So it is, I guess, somewhat of a shot in the dark, but a good deal if you think you can get it together. Get it together, damn it. Boy, I bet you heard that before. 12,000 lumen flashlight, super bright USB rechargeable flashlight, Powerful LED flashlight, high lumen in 5 modes. This is by Yaqua. 50% off. It started out really cheap to begin with. It was already, I think this is the lowest price in 30 days banner on Amazon, normally $20. It was like $19.98. So then down to $14.98. Then we have a 50% promo code. It's rechargeable, comes with the battery. I'm sure it's an 18650, probably says somewhere in here. So you're only paying $7.50. You can't really beat that for a flashlight. Tons of reviews, 4.5 out of 5 thumbs with belts. If you need another flashlight, and who couldn't use another flashlight, there's an option. This one was limited stock, so we'll see if it's still around by the time you get to watch this video. But rechargeable LED work lights. I did check right before starting the video, and it is in stock and the promo code's working, but I mean there's going to be people probably watching it before you. So in instance, you may not get a chance to. 10 watt, 2200 milliamp hour, 600 lumens portable, tiltable, waterproof floodlight by Levant. And it is 50% off. So we have a 40% promo code, a 10% coupon. Oh, by the way, there was a yellow version. You know what? I didn't check how much stock was left in the yellow version. And I believe the promo code works for it, and it did have a coupon. So if red's out, try yellow. $29.99, 50% off, makes it $14.99 for your little work light. So that's it, guys. Wanted to share with you those Woot deals. I think the Sunjoe and the Greenworks, you could find something you really like there. And if you want to buy me the Knipex, I won't turn it back. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for a new subscriber. See you next time.